Hey, welcome to Ice Age TV, and what are we doing today in another adventure with the Triumph Rocket 3R? I think I'm going to add a nice little windscreen factory Triumph product. Ordered this from a local Indian Triumph dealer. Yeah, I said Indian, should have said Triumph, but the multi-brand dealer, so I just got that in. Here it is right here, and I think this will kind of take a little bit of the air off of my chest. And I don't really know how to put this thing on, but I think I'm going to figure it out. Got all little parts over here. So follow me along here, and I'll show you how to do it. I'll be the guinea pig here to show you how to do it with the Plum Crazy right next to it, the Gold Rush, the Smoke Show, and the Frostbite. And I got some Wheaten Terriers, Poodles, and a German Shepherd outside. So stay tuned for the adventure of the Rocket 3R windshield install. Okay, even for me, I'm befuddled. I don't know. I'm going into the dark side here. First thing I'm going to do is take off these nice plates, and I think these go on top of that windscreen. So let me get these off first. Just a real easy Torx number 30, and just unscrew them. Nice having these tools that enable you to be able to take things apart quickly, because it just saves you having to take your hands and turn the device all day long, which that's what's nice about these power tools. So I can emphasize enough. See here, that's very loose. Okay, you get two hands and everything. Okay, so I have to take the assumptions that this aesthetic nice piece that I just pulled off, you're going to want to keep the same curvature here on the bike. So we go over here, you're going to see that this seems to fit in this area very good. So it fits right in there. And I think the bigger part extends up instead of down. And then you've got like rubber grommets that I just have to assume you're going to put here underneath here. I'm assuming that goes like that. I'm not real sure. I've checked that. Okay, just so you know, instructions don't do much for you, I guess, unless you go looking for the internet. But anyway, see, here's these rubber grommets that are flipped upside down now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the original screws from over here and bolt this down. Don't let the rubber grommets come out, and I think that's how you do this. I think you need two hands, though. All right, so I think that this is correct. Now, always hand screw your bolts back into something. I would not take this power tool and start tightening this down till you did it with your hand. I just dropped it, but all right. I think I know what I'm doing here. Hard to believe, right? Oh, geez, I just knocked that little thing out. I think I can grab it back with my screw, but I think this just pulls this into the windshield, and then I think it'll be secure. I don't know. I'm totally in the green here. I could be totally wrong here, but let's give it a shot here. Okay, I think that I have it backwards. I think these are supposed to be flipped upside down underneath here, because this isn't going to be secure. So let's try it one more time and see if I can get this right. Okay, I think my brain's working now. So what you do, you put this plastic plate on the bottom. Those little rubber grommets, you reverse those up and pull them through the hole. Little trick, put your screws in there so they don't fall down below. What's going to happen here, when you mount the windshield, you've got the original brackets that are more aesthetic to the pleasing to the bike, that will then fasten down on these screws on the screen, and it pulls everything down so that everything stays tight. So I kind of figured it out. So it's kind of the right path there. But once again, a little trick here is, before you put this on the bike, okay, here you take this here, and you put these through these holes, and you put your screw on there, and that way when you're putting things together, you don't have it fall down in there and you can't get to it. You see what I'm saying? So watch this here, up. Okay, so now, you see here, got the screws still attached, so if these things fall down, you can still get the things out, okay? Now, the trick is getting this windscreen on. Yeah, I mean, having like a little tape around here in the bottom, in some ways, would maybe be the better idea. You just put some tape in the bottom so it holds it in a little better. So let's see if I can do this. Wowsker, I figured it out. How about that, huh? I did it, so I was right. What I just showed you how to do, it's right. It's a little tricky getting those little rubber grommets lined up with those screws, but there you go. So it's really nice. Be careful, I wouldn't tighten down too much. Nice and snug, but you'll end up cracking this. So I think it looks great. Doesn't take away from the bike too much. Question is, going down the road, will I feel a little better wind off my chest? So that'll be for another day, another adventure. So hey, everybody watching my channel, thanks so much for participating. Hope this helps you if you're a Triumph Rocket 3R owner. Could be the GT. They already have these on the factory GT models. They're more the touring bike. The 3R does not have this. So hopefully this helps you figure out how to put that windshield on. Not hard at all. And this video should help you get it done faster than me. So God bless, stay safe, and have a great evening. My morning conversations. I have great conversations and talk and informative news every Monday through Friday. And I start about a 30-40 minute conversation and hope it can help you look at the cars and things of life like I look at them. And maybe you have bigger and better ideas than me. But anyways, so stay tuned for Ice Age TV. It's dark and it's not too cold though. So have a great evening.